We're now going to take a closer look at zooming in the session, zooming in and out. And one way to do that is with the zoom tool, which I can click here, or I can also press F5. If I drag the zoom tool, you'll see there's a little plus sign on my mouse icon, and I can drag over a section and it's selected. And it zooms in. If I hold down my Option key, it changes to a minus sign and clicking zooms out. Zoom in with plus, zoom out by holding down the Option key. I can also hold down the Control key when I have the zoom tool selected and drag left and right to shrink and expand my window. If I press Control and drag up and down, you'll see the waveforms get bigger and smaller. There's also a mode called single zoom mode. Notice when I have the zoom tool selected, it stays selected. If, on the other hand, I'm working, let's say, with the selector tool, and I want to zoom in on this area, I can choose single zoom mode, either by choosing it from the menu here or pressing F5 twice. And now when I zoom in on that area, it stays back at the selector tool. So single zoom lets me use the zoom tool for one moment and then back to whatever tool I was using before. I also have over here ways of zooming my waveform horizontally and zooming in and out using these arrows. If I drag that arrow, it's the same as if I Control drag my zoom tool. I can zoom in and out. If I ever want to see the whole session, I just double-click my zoom tool. And now I've zoomed out to the entire section, at least horizontally I have. There are 5 buttons right below my zoom controls, and they are my zoom preset buttons. If I go to a specific horizontal setting, let's say all the way in, and I choose Save Zoom Preset, I can then recall that preset just by clicking the number. Let me zoom all the way out here, and I'll save that as number 2, and then I'll zoom about that much, about right like that, and choose 3. Now when I toggle between 1, 2, and 3, you'll see it's memorized my zoom settings. I can also use Control 1, 2, 3 to toggle between them, or my Command focus keys, just the number 1, the number 2, and the number 3.